Today I would like to show you some different hairstyles only made by one product, by the Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly. Let's brush the hair first to remove any knots. I divide the hair with some chopsticks. This is easier to create some sections. As you can see, I divide the hair in 3 sections. Just leave some hair in the nape because this is where we start. And now we are ready for the fun part. And that's putting in the Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly. It depends on the length of the hair, but I use about 2 pumps. The Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly is great for wet looks. It gives a bit of hold, but the hair is still very moldable, which is great for versatile looks. It smells also very nice. Make sure you cover all the hair with the Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly, because we are going for the first wet look. Now I make a side part in her hair at the middle of her eyebrow for a guideline. After that I comb everything again for a smooth finish. The Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly protects against heat and frizz. The shine becomes stronger when you build it up, layer by layer. So that's really beautiful to see. And then we are going to brush the hair very smoothly back. And I like to create a nice curve so it looks beautiful from the side. This beautiful minimal look is almost done. Very easy. You can finish it with a strong hold hairspray, for example, to give more hold. By blowing the hair, it dries a bit quicker. And look at this beautiful gloss. This look will be perfect for a party, fashion or editorial look on a photo shoot or a special event. Now I would like to continue with the next look, because with a small variation you have already something totally different. What I really like is that the Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly doesn't have any flakes when you want to change the hairstyle or brush it out. With the top part of the hair I create a little bun. It's okay if it's a bit messy. You can use a thin elastic for this. Make another small bun. You can pull it a bit to make it bigger on each side. A tip that I have is to use these U-pins to make the bun solid. So you take a section of the bun, turn the pin around and secure it to the base. And this way you have a nice organic bun. I use the working hairspray if you prefer a bit more hold. So we went from a minimal glossy look to a casual fun half hair updo. I love how the Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly adds texture and shine to the hair. So you can really build different looks very easily. I will add more Cosmic Blow-Dry Jelly at the bottom part of the hair. And then we are going to make another bun. I'm using the same techniques. What you can also try is twist 2 strings, wrap them around the bun to create a bit more texture. So here you can see I twist them to the opposite sides around each other. You can make it a little bit more wide to get more volume, but also nice to hide the elastics. So this is another look with 3 buns. I hope you really enjoyed these ideas as much as I love sharing these. Let me know in the comments which look is your favorite and of course if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more videos that are coming up, especially with the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly.